Best dinner recipes. 1. Grilled lemon herb chicken with vegetables. Ingredients for boneless, skinless chicken breasts: a quarter cup olive oil, a quarter cup lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tsp dried oregano, 1 tsp dried thyme, 1 tsp dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Assorted vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, thyme, and basil. 2. Season chicken breasts with salt and pepper, then place in a large resealable bag. 3. Pour marinade over chicken, seal the bag, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours. 4. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. 5. Remove chicken from marinade and discard excess marinade. 6. Grill chicken for 6-7 minutes on each side, or until cooked through. 7. While chicken is cooking, chop vegetables into bite-sized pieces. 8. In a separate bowl, toss vegetables with olive oil, salt, and pepper. 9. Place vegetables on a grill pan or skewers and grill for 8-10 minutes, or until tender. 10. Serve grilled chicken and vegetables together for a delicious and healthy dinner. 2. Baked salmon with honey mustard glaze. Ingredients for salmon fillets: a quarter cup honey, 2 ts Dijon mustard, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tsp dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a small bowl, mix together honey, Dijon mustard, garlic, and thyme. 3. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 4. Season salmon with salt and pepper, then brush honey mustard glaze over each fillet. 5. Bake for 12-15 minutes, or until salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. 6. Serve with your choice of side dishes, such as roasted vegetables or quinoa. 3. Mushroom and spinach stuffed chicken breast. Ingredients for boneless, skinless chicken breasts: 1 cup baby spinach, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, a ½ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tsp dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a skillet, saute spinach, mushrooms, garlic, and basil until vegetables are tender. 3. Cut a pocket into each chicken breast, being careful not to cut all the way through. 4. Stuff each chicken breast with the vegetable mixture and mozzarella cheese. 5. Season chicken with salt and pepper, then place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 6. Bake for 20-25 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through. 7. Serve with a side of rice or a salad for a complete meal. 4. 1 pot beef stroganoff. Ingredients: 1 lb beef sirloin, cut into thin strips, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 cups beef broth, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, a ½ cup sour cream, a quarter cup flour, 1 ts Worcestershire sauce, 1 tsp dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 8 ounces egg noodles. Instructions: 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven, cook beef over medium heat until browned. 2. Add onion and garlic to the pot and cook until softened.